Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's have fun. How's it going? This is gonna be great. Bye bye. Hooray! Hi guys, and today we're gonna make a vision board. Do you know what a vision board is? A vision board is just that, silly. A vision. But seriously, a vision board is where you put all your plans and dreams. Now let's get started. First, we're gonna write down what it's going to be called. It's turning out good, guys. I'll be back when it's all finished. Voila! Let me explain what some of it is, not all of it. So, I like to read books, and I give them a little bow tie, and I love puppies. So I gave this little puppy a mirror and a crown to wear. Ooh, and a screwdriver. And I put my logo up here if you guys can see it. And I also got one right here too. Nobody probably sees that. And I love basketball. And I got a basketball award. And I got a basketball in my backyard that I love to play with. And I love those little positive notes that people be writing. Down here are all the places I've been. I put engineer down here because I want to be an engineer when I grow up. Look at this, guys. I added a hat on the O and board. Overall, this is what I came up with. I hope that inspires you to make a vision board. Bye-bye. Bye. Vision board is vision board. Just that vision. Hey guys, and thank you for watching my video. As always, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I think you get the point, so bye-bye.